Osmo Pocket. Smart Features. Active Track enables the camera to follow the subject and capture footage on the move. Tap the subject twice in the camera view to enable Active Track. To disable Active Track, tap the screen or press the joystick once. When recording a vlog, you can go to Settings and enable FT, Selfie Mode. When the gimbal is facing you for selfies, the camera will follow the closest subject. Tracking will be disabled if you reverse the gimbal direction. Gesture control allows you to control tracking and recording in static shots. Swipe down in the camera view and enable gesture control. You can also enable registered subjects only and follow the on-screen instructions to register. Once your composition is set, show a palm gesture to enable or disable Active Track. Show a V gesture to take a photo or start video recording. To stop recording, show the V gesture again. This feature is suitable for following a subject at a distance. After recording starts, the camera will lock onto the registered subject and follow the subject in real time. When dynamic framing is enabled, the screen displays 9 composition points. Push the joystick to switch between composition points, then align the point with your subject. Press the joystick once to enable tracking. The subject remains locked to the selected point, allowing for easier camera movement. Select Spin Shot mode and choose the rotation angle. Tap the icon on the screen or press the joystick once. The camera will rotate 90 degrees or 180 degrees to capture footage, creating a distinctive cinematic effect.